Hi, today we're going to do a science experiment. And what we're going to show is what happens when we have dirt and germs on our hands and how we get rid of them to stay healthy. What we're going to need is a glass container, some milk, dishwashing liquid, cotton swabs, and food coloring. What we're going to do then is put the milk in the container, not too much, and we're going to add food coloring. Then we're going to take a cotton swab, and this is going to represent the soap that we use as we do when we wash our hands. Milk is made up of proteins and fats. So what happens is we're going to add the soap to the protein and see what happens. What do you think might happen? Here we go. How cool is that? It makes the germs disappear. And then what we're going to do is, you can kind of turn this into an art project too. Once all those germs have disappeared, but with the food coloring, we're going to put a paper towel into it and then let it dry for later. And this is the one that I did earlier. You know Miss Welch likes her greens. Take care. So the important thing to remember is always wash our hands.